Alright, what's up you guys? Welcome to a vlog today. I'm doing this video today. I took the day off work. Yesterday I caught a fever somehow. Last night got it worse. I was at 101.2. Today I'm at 100.9, so I'm not going into work today. I'm taking it easy. My whole body just feels so sore and everything. Here's one thing I had to do. Obviously I have some tickets that I have to pay for. I'll show you guys. Not sure where the other one is, but the first ticket is this little this ticket here pretty much says like because of the parking tickets, if you're late they're gonna charge you fines and that. So 80 bucks right there, plus the other plus the other ticket that I had was this bridge, as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but this bridge goes to Terrebonne and it charges you around $7.72 every time you cross it. So basically I got the bill $7, but I completely forgot about it and they charged me $47. So I paid that. At least it's all paid, everything's good, and we're gonna head home now. I'm gonna maybe do a little cleanup on the car and we'll do a little video about that. And yep, so I will see you guys when I get home. All right, so we just got home now. I decided that I'm gonna clean out most of my car. So basically what I want to do, let me see if this is even open. There we go. Basically what I want to do is empty out pretty much the back seat, whatever I need. I need cloths or anything that's not used for the car or to clean the car, just keep it here and remove it out. Same thing for the trunk. The trunk needs a major cleaning. This plastic out. That old windshield fluid container, Jay, take it out. A little thing I want to talk to you guys about today is the fact I might be getting a new subie. I'm not sure yet. It all depends on how the bank is. 2010 for $13,000. Has 127,000 kilometers, which is nothing. Obviously Subarus, my car is at 214,437 kilometers to be precise. So if my car can make it, so can any subie. So she's pretty much asking me for 3 months of the transactions of the bank, this and that. So I'll do that probably tomorrow. I'm really feeling under the weather today. My whole body is sore. I'm not feeling well. Every time I cough, it hurts my head. So I'm just gonna take it easy today. But I want to give you guys a bit of a video today. So we're gonna take this shit out. This is my old one here, which I really don't need anymore. As you guys know, it has a big ass crack. So I'm gonna leave that there. Yeah, so remove this. Hold up. Yeah, we gotta clean up that stuff first. Okay, so take this bag, put it on the floor, and with this bag, we're gonna see exactly what we need. Don't worry about the zip line, just remove everything now, and from there we're gonna see exactly like what we need to clean out, because I don't like my car having a mess like that. Yeah, this. Okay. Yeah, so that throw it out. Let's see here. Okay, here's one thing I would like to talk to you guys about. Is some people like using their phones while driving. Me, I don't. Should I install this on my windshield and have my phone hooked up like that? That way, if I'm changing a song or wanting to use my phone for Bluetooth, should I hook this up? Is it safe? Yes or no? I'm not really much. Actually, I was using my phone while I was driving to Carrefour Laval because that's where I had to go pay my bills, and I had to pull over because I don't like using my my phone while I drive. I have respect for the rules of the road. I'm trying to figure out how to put this guy in. God damn it. Everything good? Yeah. Cool. Alright. Okay, so everything that's in this bag, we're gonna see exactly what we need, what we don't need. However, I'm thinking of, since bumpers are always plastic, I have to figure out a solution for this thing. So I'm thinking of maybe getting a drill at Canadian Tire, or if my friend Wayne has one, I'll borrow his. And I'm gonna drill a hole in here, and there's like a little circle hole in here. That way maybe I could just zip tie it to the clip itself inside. So hopefully that will work. Hopefully. Alright, so you guys know that I need a battery tie down super bad. I haven't had one on my car ever since I bought it. So found these little hooks. I know how to install the battery tie down. Pretty much what you do is you hook this underneath where the battery is being hold it on underneath. There's like little edges. These, let me get a better perspective. I'll give you guys a better perspective. It's pretty much gonna be like this. I'll order a battery tie down from Cobb. I think it's like $50, which is not that bad. And you tie it down like that. So it's gonna work. So we're gonna keep these. These are gonna be coming very, very useful. Put them there for now. All right, what else do I not need? I'll buy new zip ties because these ones are like from the dollar store, and they're a little short, but I'll keep them just in case. You never know when they work. All right, get all these zip ties out of here. All right, so unfortunately this is not working as I thought it is. As you guys see, it's pretty beat up, pretty rusted. I'm not sure how it gets rusted like this. So I'm gonna have to replace her. I'm gonna have to replace this eventually, but I don't really need it. Pretty much if you're doing any mods on a car, a socket set you pretty much need. Oh, I found a little interesting tool. I'm not even sure what it even is for. This is definitely not for unhooking the wheel. I'm not even sure what this is. You know what? This could maybe come in handy one day for any kind of situation, so I'm gonna decide to keep it. You never know. The placemats, boys, I'm gonna have to get rid of them. They don't fit on my car, they're too big. I did use them, however, one time, and unfortunately they got in my way of my clutch. So it's very bad. I got 2 of these things? Where's the other piece of metal at that I just had?
Yeah, this one, no?
Is that it, the one that I just
this
had?
is the big one you just had.
Oh, Jay, I'm telling you, I'm so messed up. This is the old battery tie down. We're gonna throw this away because we don't need shit like that. Uh-oh. Okay, that is not a good thing to have. We don't want any zip ties or anything getting in my trunk. Why is there a beer cap here? Stupid previous owner. Wow, man, the previous owner didn't give a shit about his car. Look at this shit. Ew, that's disgusting. Oh yeah, this I'm definitely keeping. This is from Subie Fest, absolutely. What is that?
It's like a...
Oh, this is my old light bulb. My old lamp. I think that's for the back one. Yeah, this is for one of the back ones actually. I'm not sure which one, but we don't need it. Okay, a lot of paste stubs. Woo! I got some Rain X. I've never used it before. I don't really know how it works. I've had no problems with my defrost, but Rain X can come in handy at any time. Look at all these. Oh boy, yeah. I gotta clean all this shit up. Okay, so this I haven't used. I don't even know how much use this is gonna be. You really can't do anything with these, but I'll keep them just in case. You never know when they come useful. Got a pen here. I don't need a pen. All my paste stubs from work, we're just gonna throw them out. It's all wet. Somehow it's all wet here, I don't know how. Get all these zip ties. Definitely a major improvement. Definitely much cleaner. Tomorrow I'll go to Canadian Tire. My grandmother actually, what she has in her Dodge Journey is a black bag for their trunk, so you can keep all your tools and accessories in the bag. That way, all of this I'll leave it in the bag. That way, it'll like have empty space and everything, so it'll be pretty cool. I did use my windshield washer fluid quite a bit, so I just wanted to see exactly where I'm at. And windshield washer fluid. I don't even know if I have any or if I have enough. Probably gonna have to check underneath the car. So yeah. So here's one thing I want to ask you guys about is that if I'm gonna keep this car, because obviously if I don't get accepted for the newer one, obviously I'm gonna get an intake. So the intake, I'm assuming this black box right here stays on. So the intake, I would connect it from here. I would remove this whole thing right here. So correct me if I'm wrong, guys. I would have to remove this whole thing and then connect the intake on that little place right there. Doesn't sound too bad. EJ25, what's up? Okay, let's see. No point. So I have to get a battery tied down, that's a fact. So here, actually, I'll give you guys a better perspective of what I gotta do. So you guys see the edges, all right? The edges. The two hooks that I showed you guys, okay, would go on this side, see all the way down there, that side, and that two edges right there. And technically, the whole battery tie down from Cobb is gonna be lining across. So it's gonna be pretty sick, pretty sick. All right, so trunk is all cleared. We have a lot of wastage we don't need. I've been meaning to do this this is kind of like a spring cleaning. So it's kind of like a spring cleaning what I'm pretty much doing. I have to remove this Paul Walker sticker because I was an idiot. I actually scraped over it and when it was icy and everything, so I gotta remove this. I'll put one more sticker, which is an LZ sticker, LZ certified. Got a lot of LZ stickers, but I'm just gonna put one, and that's about it. So what I plan on doing, if I keep this car, every single part that I order from a company for modifying this car, whether if it's an intake, whether if it's new wheels or anything in the future, I'll buy a sticker from the company. That way, each mod that I have, I'm representing the company, which is pretty cool. And no, it's not a sponsorship. Oh boy. I'm really feeling like shit, like crap today. I'm not really feeling that 100%. But we had to do some stuff. I try to keep my head up. I try to keep going. Trying to motivate myself, to motivate you guys. I hope you guys are feeling good today. You know, if you're feeling kind of sick or if you have one of those days where you're not like, you know, just think of something to do, bring yourself up. Always stay positive and always believe in yourself and others too, obviously. So yeah, that's pretty much about the vlog. That's pretty much about this video today. It's pretty much about cleaning the car up, making her look better. And we'll go tomorrow. We're gonna buy a bag, because I really need that. And what else? Tomorrow I have to go to the bank and give her the statements. She lives the person's always like in the freaking South Shore or something like that, which is pretty far, but we'll see. Maybe I'll just text her or anything. Am I gonna get that new Subaru? I'm not sure yet. The bank wants 3 months of transactions, which is pretty much the same thing that when I got the Mazda, they wanted 3 months of the transactions, so it could mean that I will get accepted. If I do, this Subaru, I'm trading it in for, it's gonna be a WRX I'll be getting. Turbocharged engine, 5-speed manual transmission. I prefer the 6-speed, but it doesn't matter. That's pretty much about it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys very much. Please subscribe to the channel, help me out. As you guys know, that spring is just around the corner, which means the videos are gonna get a little bit better. Not because if I get a computer or camera, I'm probably gonna stay with this phone for vlogging for a while. But for the car season, I will be bringing you guys along. And thank you guys very much for the support and for the feedback, and I will see you guys tomorrow.